Hey everybody, welcome back to the Shade Tree. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day out. Hope everyone is staying safe, taking precautions necessary during this pandemic. As they say, it's been a little bit since I've done a video for you. And so I figured I'd do an update video on the car, let you know what we're doing. So we've been working a little bit, done a few things, changed out carburetors, things like that, but it's no longer here at the house. It's over at my dad's shop. So we're getting ready to head over there. So let's go. Take a ride. Beautiful day. See you when we get there. So we're here at the shop. Pap's here. He's my mechanic. I'm just the TV personality. But anyway, we got the car behind us. He's been working this week getting this spring in. As y'all know, I've got the Moroso Trick series springs that we're trying to put on this thing to get the front end lifted up, but then have some travel too. In the beginning, we were a little bit nervous because they were super long, 17-inch springs going from probably 12-inch springs. We didn't know how it was going to work out, but it looks pretty good so far. They got a lot of pressure to them. You can see them in there. They look a little cattywampus, but we think once we get some weight on the car that they're going to look pretty good. We did these completely different. Nobody's probably ever seen them done this way. Something Dad came up with. He built a tool, made it work. We'll show you on the other side a little bit of it once we get it done. But that's what we're doing today. So we've already got the rotor, everything off over here, getting ready to unhook the ball joint and go to town on this side. So we'll see you in a little bit. Woo! All right, I'm tired. I know he's tired, and he'll probably not like me in the morning, but this thing's got some new springs on it. A lot of reviews said it couldn't be done, but the old man was confident that he's smarter than most people.
What is it now?
No, the way that he wanted to do it's the way that some people probably done on other things, but a lot of folks said that it couldn't be done on here. So what we did was we dropped the entire control arm, the rotor, everything off, and we pretty much built it with the spring in there. Used a contraption that he designed with thread all and some plates to run up through the control arm, through the spring perch, and pretty much compress it that way, and it worked. It's a little sketchy, but I'm super pleased with the way that it turned out. The car has much better stance in the front, and we actually have suspension. It'll travel, so it wouldn't do that before. The factory 4-cylinder springs, I'm super happy with it. The stance looks great. We're going to air up some tires, maybe take it down the road. The hood is off because it's over here. We're getting ready to, he's getting ready to paint it. I may paint it, I don't know. Just depends on, he gets bored sometimes when I'm not here, so. But that's it. That's the update on the car, guys. We've done a whole lot of work to it that I haven't filmed. We put new upper rear trailing arms, control arms on it last week. We put new rear struts, probably gonna do new front struts. We've got the new springs, new carburetor we rebuilt, carburetor spacer, new ball joints up front today. repacked the wheel bearings. What? Oh, took the sway bar off the front. Try to save some weight. I took all the interior out. You guys have already seen that on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Big Block Fox. I'll put a link or something. But that's the update on the car. Really appreciate all the support, all the new subscribers to the channel. Be sure to stick with us. We'll have some racing videos soon. This whole virus thing kind of has that on hiatus, but it gives us time to get some stuff done. So until next time, guys, y'all be good. Stick with me. We'll see what we can do. Thanks. God bless.